If you're looking for a hassle-free way to connect devices with durable cables, this 50-pack of DB9 female D-sub crimp type connectors is worth a look. Designed to provide a reliable connection interface, these connectors make cable assembly straightforward and efficient, especially when time is tight. Each connector is crafted from top-quality materials, including an ABS insulator and tin-plated housing, ensuring maximum operational efficiency. Whether you're working on high-intensity projects or mission-critical setups, these connectors stand up to the challenge without compromising performance. The crimp-type design means you don't need to solder. Just crimp the pins onto your cable, insert them into the connector, and you're ready to go. This method creates a permanent, highly durable connection between cable and connector, saving you time and effort while ensuring stability. Priced for a 50-piece pack without pins, these connectors ship quickly, usually within one business day, so you won't have to wait long to get your project moving. This makes them a smart choice for teams or individuals who frequently assemble cables and need a dependable supply on hand. Customers from the United States praise these connectors for their fast delivery and consistent quality. Many rely on them for quick cable fixes or new builds without any issues. They're especially popular among users who want to avoid soldering and still get a secure, lasting connection. If you often find yourself under a deadline or simply want to streamline your cable assembly process, these DB9 female crimp connectors offer a practical solution. They combine ease of use with the durability you need for everyday tasks and critical applications alike. Investing in these connectors means fewer delays and less frustration during cable assembly. Their reliable construction and simple crimp design let you focus on the job without worrying about connection failures or complicated setups. Try this 50-pack when you're ready to speed up your cable assembly without sacrificing quality. It's a practical choice for anyone who values durability, efficiency, and a connection that won't let you down.